Hello my lovely jackrabbits, this is Jackie the Jackrabbit Art Studio, and today I'm going to show you how to make anime pods. It's very easy to make and the list of materials is listed in the description below, so make sure you check it out. But before we continue, make sure you hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so that you can be alert every time I drop a brand new video. Let's go! So here are the two anime pods, and it is used in different methods. So you have to decide for yourself which one do you like better. This one is using Scupley, and you would need to use an oven, or in this case I use my air fryer, which works the same way. So here's a Scupley brand. Okay, and it's recommended to bake it for 275 degrees. But I baked mine for 250 in the air fryer. I call it air oven. For 5 minutes first, 250 for 5 minutes, just to make sure that it doesn't burn. And then I test to see if it cures or not. Then I pop it back into the oven for 3 more minutes. And then after that, it is ready to be painted and using UV resin to add a finishing touch. This one is using foam clay. Foam clay is a lot of fun, as you can see. And you can mess around with it and basically just really have fun with it. But you can't paint right away. After you finish using the foam clay, you have to wait for a day for it to completely dry. Then you can start painting it. So in the end, it's like, okay, well, which method are you going to use? This one is heavier. This one is lighter. So yeah, let me know. So let me introduce you to the characters that I created. This is Tanjiro. And then this is Miku Miku. And Miku Miku is recommended by one of our live streamers, CYN. So thank you, CYN, for contributing your idea. So let's get started now. And I'll show you how to make it. So in the next segment, you'll see me clipping clips from the live stream in which I will show you how to do this step by step. And I'm gonna try it. I got this extra thingy-majingies from my last project. So I'm gonna go ahead and make some small structures and then add Scupley over. So I believe I got these for free right here. Hi there. I got these for free in like one of the workshops that I attended like 2 years ago. I think it looks like the same brand as Scupley. So I'm gonna try to do that. It's gonna be really fast. Roll this in. Just trying to make a little sphere, make a little miniature thingy thing. Have an idea. I'm gonna small. Gonna make it bigger. Let's show you what I am thinking about. So I'm thinking about, okay, I'll add a little structure here, like a head of Tanjiro's head, because Tanjiro is nowhere to be found. So I think I'm gonna do that. So that's the idea. Yep. Cute little tongue. I am going to flatten this so that the head can have a place to sit. This is correct. Like I said, this is the brand that I'm using, but this one I got for free from 2.5 years ago. Press them and get it moving again. Just really. And then I gotta get the other parts. Other parts. I can just roll it by hand and just hope for the best. Okay, put this down and then I roll it and I press this down because I don't have a clamper. Ooh. It's much harder without a clamper. Okay, that works, that works. Now I have my fat noodle right here. Ooh, honey. Right. Okay, I'm gonna wrap this with the clay that I have. And then put him up there. But I'm gonna test something out. Since this is my first time doing this, I don't know if it's gonna work, but we'll just have to see. Okay. One more area. Okay, this one is a little, I think I can see the aluminum, so I'm gonna cover that one more time. Okay. I think so. This is gonna be hard. Sorry, guys. And with the foam clay, you can't paint it until like the next day because it doesn't dry very fast. So foam clay, kind of like air dry clay, it takes time. And tune into this one, okay? Look at this. Isn't this fun? Woohoo! Okay. Look at that. This is really, really fun. Okay, now that your pod is completely dried, it's time to start the art process. Let's draw on the pod. And the character I'm drawing here, as you know, is Miku Miku. Here's the reference image. Okay, getting the color set up, mixing the colors, painting it into the hair. Now the skin tone, which is going to be extra light. You can see my tutorial on the skin tone and my lesson videos. But in short, in order to achieve the anime skin tone, you'll need a lot of white, some yellow, and a little bit of red. Now that I'm done painting it, it's time to use the UV resin. Just make sure that your paint is completely dried before you apply this. I recommend drying each section at a time. Say for example, face first, and then head, and then back. And each of the sections should be cured in 1 minute. And voila, we are done. So which method do you like better? The polymer clay or the foam clay? Let me know in the comment below. And if you create anything, also let me know. Email me and let's show it off. I hope you get to learn a lot and that you are inspired to do some projects. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!